Red Star 1963, a tribute to aviation history on your wrist. Seagull ST1901 Movement. Classic mechanical chronograph with smooth hand wound action. Vintage Air Force design. Inspired by the original Chinese Air Force 1963 edition. Sapphire Crystal. Scratch-resistant clarity with a premium feel. Chronograph Function. Precision stopwatch with retro pushers. Stainless steel case. Durable and sleek with timeless appeal. 38mm or 40mm options. Choose your perfect wrist fit. Domed glass and goose logo. Adds nostalgic charm with iconic aviation detail. Relive the legacy. Red Star 1963 bold history. Ticking strong. You can find the product link in the description below.